Welcome back to Black Hills News from Railcar, everybody. The weekend after Christmas 2024, we were invited to our friend Jim K's house for an operating session. So here's some sights and scenes around the railroad.
A little interesting factoid on this layout. Jim was mentioning that he started construction on this N-scale layout in a basically bedroom size double deck layout as a single deck layout in 2012, and the second deck wasn't added until later when he discovered he wanted a little more room for operations. And I noted that specifically this layout does not look like it was designed as a single deck layout. This layout looks every bit the part of a well done double deck or even triple deck layout.
That was what was causing that. I got lifted off.
So I wanted to offer a little bit of encouragement to anybody that might be thinking about getting started and operating in any scale, and you're thinking you might want a little bit of paperwork to go with your operating session to show your operators what to do. And this is a sheet from the June 2024 session that Milo and I attended, and I just wanted to show you this for a quick like. And nothing you do has to be necessarily complicated. You don't need paperwork per se anyway if you're just operating by yourself. I didn't operate with any paperwork on the Sioux Junction layout, that 4x8 layout that I had. But if you're working with a few other guys, maybe you want some paperwork. And this paperwork here shows this is a turn job leaving Junction City, going over to Beaverton and coming back to Junction City. Jim does not show car numbers on the switch list. He figures that his aging eyes of his operators wouldn't be able to see the reporting marks in N-scale anyway. And that's a design decision that he's made on his operating sessions. I have seen operating an N-scale using the micromark car cards, and I think maybe I've even done it with switch list, but I'm not sure. But that's just a decision that the individual layout superintendent made here. And typically what he's doing is listing quantities of cars. In this case, that second column over, pickup, and then the quantity of car in the third column, and then basically the reporting mark or how to identify the car in the third column, and then the fourth column from what track or what track name he's picking up from. He will occasionally specify more than one car blocks. So he runs 4 boxcars, Burlington Northern boxcars together, for example, or he'll say maybe 3 C&W cement cars or something like that. You can kind of see for yourself what he's got going on here. And then working further down in Brookfield, he's got spilling out to set out for those 4 boxcars, those 4 green boxcars, BN cars, and then continuing to Beaverton, and he's got 3 cars being spotted there. 3 cars being picked up. Actually, looks like 5 cars, because we've got 2 single loose cars and a block of 3 Wisconsin Southern boxcars. And then we're back to Junction City with that small train, with that turn job, and we're setting out all the cars that we collected along the way. Again, operating session paperwork does not have to be complicated. Jim is giving verbal authority as far as track warrants and things like that to move on the layout between cities. That works out well. It's basically a bedroom size N-scale layout. So kind of everybody knows where everybody else is at anyway. So yeah, things work pretty well on his layout. So here's where we've reached the point where we're going to pull the pin on this particular episode. We hope you like the content here. Leave us a comment below. Subscribe for more, and hopefully
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys. Sweet. Can I get you doing that?
No.
It's rolling.
Oh.
Hey, Milo, what's going on?
Sorry, boss.
050. What are you doing?
Re-railing cars.
You run through a switch, did you?